It's finally here. It took a little while for shipping. We had an issue, but finally got our products from DIY Detailing. They were sending some free products for me to review on the channel, let you guys know what I think. And I'll also have some links down below to their website so you can check out anything they sell, and also a promo code that'll get you a discount on anything you buy from them as well. So let's go ahead and get this bad boy cracked open and see what we got. All right, guys, let's check it out. Pretty excited. I've been seeing all kinds of reviews, all kinds of stuff about DIY detailing products. Everything that I've seen has looked amazing, and looks like it's just really, really good product. Really works. Nice. Up top we got some stickers, shipping invoice, paper. We don't care about that. All right. First thing out of the box, we have the interior clean and protect. Ready to use. It is 16 ounce. There's a whole bunch of sprayer heads in here as well. I'm not going to pull all those out. You guys know what those are. But this is what they use for everything for cleaning and protecting the interior of your vehicle. Next up, we have rinseless wash. Again, 16 ounces. This stuff is concentrated. I believe it's 1 ounce to 256 ounces, so 1 ounce to a gallon, basically 1 capful per gallon to do a rinseless wash. You can also put it into a foam cannon, 4 to 5 ounces, and the rest with your DI water, distilled water, whatever you got. Foams up pretty well, really well actually, for the foam cannon applications. We have incredible suds. Concentrated again, I think it's 1 ounce in a foam cannon, I believe. I'm sorry, 2 to 3 ounces in a wash bucket, and 4 to 5 in a foam cannon, the rest with water. Everything I've seen on this stuff looks really good too. Makes tons and tons of foam. We got ceramic gloss. This stuff is, from everything I've seen, it looks amazing. You can apply it, just onto a panel. You can use it as a drying aid. I've even seen some really interesting videos and something I want to check out. Basically, after you're done polishing using your gold class DIY detail products, polish on your DA or rotary, whatever you got. The small amount of residue that's there, it's all non-dusting, but I've seen this stuff actually sprayed on top of it, and while you're removing the polish compound, and at the same time that you're removing the compound, you're also putting a ceramic spray sealant on top of it as well. Pretty cool application. Really excited to check that out. We have quick beads. Again, ready to use. Just put the sprayer on and go to town. You can use it as a dry aid. You can use it just as a good after wash. Put a little bit of protection on there, get some really good hydrophobic properties back on. If you have ceramic coating, synthetic sealant, anything like that, it'll definitely help you out, and works really good from everything I've seen. So I'm excited to check that out too. This is awesome. I'm super glad to get to check this out too. This is their clay towel. I've used clay towels in the past. I've never felt one that felt this nice before. I've used a few different brands. They're usually much thinner. They're nowhere near as porous. On the back side of this, it actually has a really deep, almost like a waffle weave style microfiber backing. And then the actual clay material, the clay media, is really thick. Feels really good. Again, it's got a lot of really deep pores. I don't know how well that'll show up on camera. And it's also kind of oversized, so it's kind of nice that you get 4 sides. So as you're using it, you can use one side, flip to the other, fold it in half, and you got 2 more sides. So super excited to try a lot of their stuff. Like I said, everything that I've seen from them has been really, really high line. Ivan and Nick have been around forever. They know what they're doing. I mean, Ivan's kind of a auto detailing guru. Super smart guy, so, and Nick as well. So yeah, like I said, I'll have links down below in the description if you guys want to check it out. Go to their website. They got tons of YouTube videos. I'll try and link their YouTube channel in here as well. And there also, like I said, be a promo code down in the bottom in the description that will get you a discount on their website. Check them out. Definitely worth it. If you want to see any of this stuff, the application, and you know what my opinion is of it, kind of just an honest review, go ahead and hit the like, subscribe button. Check it out for the future, and you know, I'll have some upcoming videos pretty quick here on some of these products and how they work, what I think about them, and you know, whether you should check them out. I'm also going to be doing the next upcoming giveaway fairly soon, so go ahead and subscribe. And if you know anybody else that might want to be interested, at, you know, car enthusiast, detailer, whatever the case may be, go ahead and send it to them too, and that way they will be able to get signed up for the future giveaways as well. No purchase or anything. I cover shipping, all that stuff. All you gotta do is be subscribed. Go ahead and leave a comment. Let me know if you guys have tried any of this stuff, what you think, what you like, what you don't like. You know, if you have a different alternative. You know, I've used ONR. I've used a lot of different products that are kind of the older versions of some of the newer technology that DIY detailing products has come up with. So you know, leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think, or what you want to see a video on me checking out. I am going to go ahead and order some more of their stuff in the pretty near future here, and I really want to try the gold class polish. Looks amazing. Same thing with their pads. I've been using Blackfire all-in-one along with Rupes DA fine pads, and I'm really happy with their results. So DIY's got a big hill for me to climb to switch over, but I'll definitely give them a shot and see what you think, or what I think, and let you know. Thanks, guys.